Here I have brought back the constructor and all the other functions inside the class declaration here. For the circle we have just the radius here as a private member. Over here is the constructor, and you see that when we don't send any information over here, then over here we have a default size of the radius of 1.0. We can change it now from the default value. Again, you see if the radius is greater or equal to 0, then we take that outside number and put that in the internal radius. And then over here we have calc area. Now let me run this, and you'll see that we have exactly the same output. We also touched on the fact that if you had a negative radius over here, that it wasn't specified what would happen. So let's change this to minus 2.5 and then see what happens. And then you see that you still have the default value of 3.14 because the radius, the default value is 1.0 multiplied by 1.0, and 1.0 is over here 3.14. So if we want to change that, then what we could do is else, and let's just give it a C out over here. C out the radius here is negative, and we can still do something like radius equals negative radius. So we just take the opposite. Actually should be a negative R, because it comes from the outside. So let's see how that works now. And you get the same numbers again. Really what you should be doing is do some input checking, but over here you see a quick solution.